Alright guys, this is Barney with Air Park News Network. There's the homestead. We are going to go up to 9 Mile Prairie here in Lincoln and do a time lapse. We got some severe weather blowing through to our east. Air Park, respect. We give respect and our allegiance to Air Park. We're feeling pretty good today. We got the tick spray. So we're going up to a little piece of land owned by the University of Nebraska. It's basically a tract of virgin prairie which has never been plowed under. They call it 9 Mile Prairie because it's exactly 9 miles from the center of Lincoln out here to 9 Mile Prairie from campus. We got people fishing, feeling great, living their best lives now. And the lake is looking very mighty fine today. Eat your heart out. Alright, we're taking a left on West Fletcher Avenue here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Looking out for crazy people. You don't want to collide with the Escalade. Heaven forbid. Alright. Here's your Microsoft background. Here's 9 Mile Prairie. This is one of the largest tracts of virgin prairie remaining in eastern Nebraska. Starting in the 20s, it was the site of more than 40 years of pioneering studies of scientific plant ecology by J.E. Weaver and students at the University of Nebraska. Of aesthetic and scientific interest, the prairie, in the words of Weaver, is composed of many different species of Native American plants. One is awed by its immensity, its complexity, and the seeming impossibility of understanding and describing it. But after certain principles and facts become clear, one comes not only to know and understand the grasslands, but also to delight in them. The climax, vegetation, is the outcome of thousands of years of sorting and modification of species and adaptations to soil and climate. Prairie is much more than land covered by grass. It is slowly evolved, highly complex, organic. It is a slowly evolved, highly complex, organic entity centuries old. Once destroyed, it can never be replaced by man. Acquisition of this remnant of Nebraska's natural heritage was through the University of Nebraska Foundation. Two citizens were tireless in their efforts to secure this prairie for posterity, and we got Ernie and A.T. Harrison, related to E.T. of the famed movie, the alien guy. And look at that. Look at those storms blow up, kids. So here we are on the prairie amid the ticks. And yeah, what a beautiful day. Look at those things just blow up. You can see to the west it's just clear. I think we're still in a tornado watch here, but my guess is they cancel that. But that is till 10 p.m. So we'll see. All right, boys. This way, we don't want to get full of ticks. You know what I'm saying? Look at these things, man. Like cauliflower.
Oh, yummy cauliflower. I love
All right.
Yummy.
It's the whole line here. And we are still recording, I hope. I hope we're still recording. I think we are. We got the red dot up in the corner. I might shut it off for just a second just to be sure. Yeah, still recording. Alright, just hit record again. We'll snip those together. And we'll watch these for another maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'll switch to a different lens. We'll zoom in a little bit. Because this is a totally manual lens. There's no like electronic connection to the body of the camera. So like the aperture, the focus, all of that is totally manual. And as I said, I just hope that we're not too bright or too dark. But I am concerned with that wide angle that the storms are going to be too far out there. And so it might be fun to kind of zoom in on Lincoln and watch the clouds boil above. But look at the dry grass, isn't that cool? The contrast, the layers of what we got going on in the picture. Quintessential Nebraska. the barbed wire, the tall grass, the towering storm clouds bubbling by. Very, very nice. Now, if it were evening, it would be awesome because it would just be a light show. All of those would be lit up with lightning. That would be fun. And we do need to be careful because now we do have some stuff bubbling up over here. Right now, it's nothing, but it is there. And last I checked, right before we came out here, don't bump the tripod, kids. Sometimes they don't hear on the first one. But we are in a tornado watch until 10 p.m. It's about 4:30, I would say, right now. So something to watch. Can't keep our backs turned to it, because even though that thing is just a little tiny right now, it is definitely convection. I believe that would be the proper term, where it is bubbling, boiling up, and that could make its way over here pronto. So we'll watch it. There's some stuff down there as well. But for now, we're in the clear.